When solving by factoring, we want to make sure and get a 0 on one side, which we already have here in this equation. And so we are ready to go ahead and just start factoring this expression on the left side. The first step in factoring is to look for any common factors. We can see that each of these two terms have an x, and they also both have a factor of 3. So we'll go ahead and factor out a 3x, and that'll leave us with an x minus 3. Now we want to take each of our factors and set them equal to 0 separately and solve them. So we have a factor here, 3x, that we're going to set equal to 0. We also have a factor of x minus 3 that we're going to set equal to 0. And the reason for doing that is that at this point we have something times something equals 0. And the only way that can be true is if one of those two things is equal to 0. And that's why we're taking each of those two things separately and setting them equal to 0. So to solve this, we're just going to divide both sides by 3 and get x equals 0. That's one of our solutions. And here we're going to add 3 to both sides, get x equals 3. That would be our second solution. So we get these two solutions, x equals 0 or 3.